Hello everyone, welcome to part 25 of Laravel 11 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. Okay, so we will start working on the roles and permissions, and in this particular video we will display the subadmins in the admin panel. But before subadmins, we will add these subadmins in our MongoDB, and I will explain you that what is exactly roles and permissions. See, we want the feature in which the admin or super admin can add further admins in the admin panel to provide them different access. If there is a big business, if the client is having the big departmental store or big e-commerce website, okay, so he can't manage everything of his own. In that case, he will he will give some roles to some specific persons, like Amit. Like if the client hires Amit for managing the orders, will give permissions to the orders, like complete orders section the Amit will manage. So role Amit is having the role of managing the orders. Okay, Amit will have the permissions for orders only. Okay, and John, like in case of John, the admin will provide admin will create the John as a subadmin and will provide him the products access. The John is going to handle complete products department. Okay, so the admin provides the role to the John, and that role is just specific to the products. So the John will have the permission to access the products only, and instead of any other thing in the admin panel. So this is the kind of the roles and permissions we are talking about in Laravel 11 series. And in this particular video, in this particular episode, we are going to add subadmins. First of all, first thing is that we are going to add, like, see, so far what we have done so far, in the admins collection we have added the type as admin only. Okay, so but now we are going to add the type as subadmin. We will add two subadmins as well. Okay, and with some specific role. And see, I'm going to show you that we are going to add two subadmins. One is Amit and one is John, that I just talked about. Okay, so I'm going to add these two subadmins, and its type will be subadmin. Here you can see its type will be subadmin only. Okay, so I'm going to add, I will open that AdminsTableSeeder file. Okay, that we have earlier created as well. I'm going to close the earlier files. Okay, and I will open the AdminsTableSeeder. So this is the file. Earlier on we have created that admin type admin. Now we will do as the type subadmin. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy these two and I will replace this one. Okay, so both subadmins we are going to add now. So one with the Amit at the rate of admin.com and another one is the John at the rate of admin.com. Okay, and type is the subadmin for both. Okay, so see, database seeder, I'm going to open the database seeder, and here I'm going to comment this one and uncomment this one, admins table seeder, because we want to insert these two records with seeder. And after that we are going to run this php addition db seed for our project, this command for our project to create these, to insert these two entries, and you can see it has been done. Okay, now we can refresh and we'll see the two documents added to this collection. I'm going to refresh and you can see further two more entries added to our collection, our admins collection. Here you can see Amit as subadmin and John as subadmin. Okay, so we able to add two entries to documents in our collection. Okay, so let's move further now, and now we are going to show these subadmins in the admin panel. Here you can see the subadmins under admin management, but right now it is not working. But now we want to add this subadmin section here. Okay, so here I will check first of all the sidebar in which we have added that subadmin, and here you can see the subadministration also we have added earlier, and here as well we have added. So it's fine, but its URL we are going to add its URL as well. Right now it's the static URL, but we will replace it with the dynamic URL, and that is the admin/subadmin. So that route we are going to create now. Okay, so this is the route that we are going to create under web.php file for the subadmins. Here we are going to create this route, get route, for displaying the subadmins. Okay, and we are going to create the subadmin function inside the admin controller. I'm going to open the admin controller now, and will create that function, subadmin function, to fetch all subadmins. Okay, so I'm going to add this function at bottom here like this. Okay, now we'll add the subadmins blade file, and we'll also create the folder under admin. I'm going to create subadmins folder. Okay, so this is my project 11, resources, views. Under admin I'm going to create another folder, and that will be called as subadmin. Okay, under subadmin I'm going to create the new file, that is the subadmins. Okay, so its name is also subadmin. We're going to make it like subadmins, and inside this file I'm going to create the new file. Okay, in Windows as well you can create the new file, and here I'm going to create this new file inside this subadmins, that is the subadmins.blade.php file. So I will first create the test file and then rename it to subadmins.blade.php file, and same thing you will do in your Windows if you are using the Windows. Okay, so it has been created, so I will move it here. Okay, so now let's see. So I can copy its design from some other page, like I can copy from the CMS pages. Okay, and will paste it here, and now simply I will make it here admin management, and under that I am going to display here the subadmins, as we are going to show the subadmins, and here also I will show here the subadmins as well. And here later on we are going to add this functionality to add the subadmin as well, but right now I'm going to just add it like this, add subadmin as well, but later on maybe we will update this route as well. Okay, so and we are going to copy this subadmins from here, this table structure I'm going to copy up to for each. Okay, so that I can show here the subadmins. Okay, up to TD. So I am going to make it like this, and we'll see if the so we can able to show the subadmins here. So I'm going to click on subadmin now. Sorry, I will refresh it once, and we'll see if the subadmins page is looking fine with all the subadmins. Okay, so there is some issue. Okay, so here you can see that we need to remove this duplicate code, and now we are going to refresh it once again, and we'll see. Here you can see the subadmins are shown here, that we have added these two subadmins we have added, and we have shown the subadmins here as well. Okay, so once you will click on this subadmins, we can able to see. So one more thing we are going to add, like we are going to add this session put page, and under which we will add here the subadmins as well, because the same sessions we are using here at the sidebar. Here it is, and you can see the subadmins we are showing here as well, here also and here also. Okay, so now it must highlight these subadmins as well. Yes, we can able to highlight these subadmins as well. Okay, and also we are going to add the dart table for this, and for that we are going to add in layout.blade.php file, and here we are going to add the dart table for subadmins as well, and here we are going to add subadmins for the dart table. Okay, we will call the dart table for the subadmins ID. Okay, now you can see these dart tables as well for the subadmin. Paging has been added, search feature has been added, that will work perfectly. You can see that we able to search the John. Okay, so it is really helpful if there are thousands of records. Okay, so now we able to show the subadmins in our admin panel. So in the next video we will work on updating the status for the subadmin, and also we will work on the delete feature for the subadmin. After that we will work on the subadmins roles and permissions as well, like the modules that we have added so far, like the CMS module we can able to add the read write permissions for the CMS pages module and the other modules as well. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.